Well, guys, I am back, I guess. But do you guys see this little logo right here? It's a very special logo. As you guys know, I'm a huge Apple fanboy. Most of my stuff is Apple, except my big computer. My big computer is not Apple. It's Asus because I cheaped out on that and I suffered the consequences. It probably has like 26 viruses, and it's probably gonna blow up soon. So yeah, if you guys never see this video, you guys know what happened. Blame that Asus computer. It's right there. But yeah, this is the new 2018 MacBook Pro. It came out like about 3 days ago from the time I'm recording this video, and I got a pretty good deal on it too. I got $400 off this and a pair of Beats, which was pretty cool in my opinion. You know, kind of a good deal, just saying. But some of the specs on this is the little bit of a lower end model. This one does have the touch bar though, which is pretty cool. I didn't really opt for it, but it was the only one that was qualified for the $400 off. So I was like, you know what, fine, give me the freaking stupid touch bar. I don't care. I'm not gonna use that piece of crap. But yeah, this one has a Core i5, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of memory, and it's overall just pretty cool. It's a pretty cool computer. So without further ado, without stalling, bullshitting you guys, I'm just gonna open up this damn computer already. As you guys can tell, I was too anxious and I cut off like the little, I don't know what it's called, little wrapper, I guess, but yeah. So I'm trying to open up this computer and I'll show you guys. Now, I am very sorry you guys actually have to look at my fat rolls from this angle, but this is the best angle I can find on my whole setup. So yeah, just look at it in all of its glory. And then now I'm gonna open a box. As usual, in Apple fashion, it opens up super slowly and gives you all the suspense. And voila, there's our 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. I don't know why everyone actually announces the touch bar. I don't think it's a very useful feature. It's not really, it doesn't have much use to it. But yep, and surprisingly the 13-inch is kind of big in my opinion. It's okay though. But yeah, little lift up thingy mabobber. And here is one of the most satisfying parts of opening up an Apple product, is taking off that screen, right? I'm just gonna be quiet, let you guys listen to some of that screen ASMR, and yeah, just enjoy. And now with the screen ASMR done, we have the 2018 that's upside down. We have the 2018 MacBook Pro in all of its slim glory. This one does not have any USB ports, has one headphone jack, and the rest is just lightning ports. So you best bet I'm gonna have to get like 25 adapters to put on this damn thing if I want to edit any videos whatsoever. So yeah, it's pretty unfortunate. So my first video will not be edited on this one, or my first video back will be edited on this shitty computer right here. This thing, this fat, look at this huge monitor, huge headset. I shot my PS4 controller, I don't care. But yeah, 2018 MacBook Pro. Let's switch up the angle again, because I'm trying to be like unboxing therapy and keep this video a little bit interesting. Now if you guys will excuse all the wires and accessories here, this is my gaming setup. I'm about to fix it real soon, trust me guys. But just want to really quick take a look at all the accessories that it comes with. So it has a little Apple flip flap right here. Once we take that off, we get the charging cable, which is very nice, very sleek. I don't know how to take it off. Here you go. This is the charging brick, not the cable. I'm retarded, as you guys can see. It looks very nice, as usual. Typical Apple fashion. This is their charging cable. Now, I do not agree with this cable. Alright, I do not like these type of cables, especially these types. Especially when you walk past your MacBook and you just trip on a cable and your whole Mac just flies down, just breaks its whole screen. I much prefer the MagSafe or whatever technology they used in the older Macs, but hey, you know, it's whatever. It's here. The new Mac is here. There's new features. You gotta get used to them. And yeah, basically, that's Apple for you. Whoa, crazy camera angle. But real quick, just want to talk to you guys about where I've been, what I've been doing. So basically, summer was just a whole grind for me. I had football practice and everything. It was so hard. But it's whatever, you know. School starts up in about a month. And I kind of want to come back to the vlogs again, you know. I kind of miss y'all, you know. It's been a while, definitely. But, hey, I'm pretty lit right now. I've been chilling, relaxing, catching up on myself. As you guys noticed, you know, my hair's kind of changed. I still look really ugly. So, it don't really matter. But yeah, it feels pretty nice to be back. And I'm gonna have to go get a ton of adapters for this MacBook because I can't really edit videos on it right now. You know, because I don't have a USB, which kind of sucks. But it's okay, man. You know, again, it's Apple. I gotta deal with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Steven Wolf. Please, if you like the video, leave a freaking like, you know. If you like me, then leave a subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another fucking video. I'll see y'all later. Peace the fudge out. Fucking later.